It's Friday, April 25th, and you're listening to Bitcoin Crypto Daily News Podcast, the essential rundown for investors and blockchain enthusiasts. Today, Bitcoin ETFs keep surging with over $2 billion in new inflows, but signals of profit-taking emerge. Morgan Stanley quietly steps deeper into crypto as it rolls out a first-of-its-kind reserve fund aimed at stablecoin issuers. And cybersecurity experts urge caution after a wave of fake crypto wallet apps appear in the Apple App Store, targeting investors' seed phrases. Let's get into today's headlines. First up, spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States have logged 8 straight days of net inflows, adding over $2.1 billion according to SoSoValue. Bitcoin's price climbed 12% from $68,000 to $77,000 as the ETF demand helped push net assets above $100 billion. But analysts warn much of this ETF buying may be exit liquidity for short-term traders. On-chain data shows realized profits have tripled compared to past local tops. The key resistance is now at $80,000, where historically newer investors tend to cash out. Traders should watch for either a breakout or another round of profit-taking as we approach this psychological barrier. In traditional finance entering crypto, Morgan Stanley Investment Management just launched the Stablecoin Reserves Portfolio, a government money market fund designed for stablecoin issuers to park the assets backing their dollar-pegged tokens. Why does this matter? If Congress passes the Genuine Stablecoin Act, issuers will have to hold reserves in highly regulated and liquid assets. Morgan Stanley's move targets that need, signaling Wall Street's intent to become the default reserve manager for this multi-hundred-billion-dollar segment. It also cements stablecoins as one of the only parts of crypto with clear and growing real-world utility. Finally, a security warning. Cybersecurity researchers have found at least 26 fake wallet apps posing as major brands, including Coinbase, MetaMask, and Ledger, in Apple's App Store, specifically targeting users in China. These apps trick people into handing over their seed phrases and private keys through phishing screens that mimic the real setup process. Apple has since pulled most of the malicious apps, but the campaign highlights the ongoing risks in the crypto space, even from official app platforms. Remember, always double-check the developer and official website for wallet links and never enter your seed phrase in an unfamiliar app. That's your quick wrap-up. ETF flows are driving Bitcoin, but profit-taking risk is building. Morgan Stanley is aiming to become stablecoin bankers, and wallet security needs to be top of mind. For more market moves and crypto insights every weekday, hit subscribe or visit our site for the latest updates. See you tomorrow.